Next up, the Smuggler's Drop. For this one, you need to head to the far northwest side of the map, all the way up here, just to the north of the castle here, you'll find this little building. Here, it's usually a stronghold, so you may need a stronghold key to get in here, but essentially, when you do, you'll head to this northeastern part of the building right here. Now, when you enter the building, to your left, you should simply find this box in the corner. This is the Smuggler's Drop. Very easy to get to, though do keep in mind this is usually a stronghold, or at least a weapon stash mission contract area, so you may need to get either a stronghold keycard or a raid weapon stash mission in order to come and complete and get this box open. That being said, if it is a raid weapon stash area, then it is going to be quite heavily guarded, and of course, there'll be even more coming in should you choose to activate the weapon stash mission here. Anyways, that's about it for the super quick guide, so thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!